Hey guys, what's up? CamH here, and I am here with some more Smashy Road. Today, let's change this god-awful car. Go check that out at the very end of the last episode if you want to see that. But today, we're gonna try to accomplish something unlike last episode. And basically, that's pretty much, never mind, just scratch that. This cop is chasing me. Let's have some fun with the cops. Let's have some fun with the cops. Oh, look, a tanker truck. We landed that. You can't push me. You can't push me. Oh, they pushed me. They pushed. Now, like I said, I'm not a very good YouTuber, but I know how to win stuff, so I'm not going to look at the screen and let it bring its glory. And damn it. Okay, so let's try that again. Oh my god, once again, this car sucks. Partially for this reason. I'm screwed at this point. Maybe not. Yeah, I'm screwed. Yep. Bye. 35 cash to go, so we're gonna change back to this god-awesome thing. I want this thing. The flipper. My friend has it. It's pretty good. Here we go, though. And just to show you how good the steering is, there you go. We got some cash. Try that again. There we go. You know what would be pretty cool? If they added another legendary car. And it would say it's a police car. You blend in with stuff. Oop! Go, 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 go! But yeah, that's my idea basically. But yeah, that's pretty much. Anyways, let's just do stuff. It's so hard to talk to you guys because there's nothing to talk about. Like, oh, there's $1. But it's so hard to talk to you guys because I have nothing to talk about, and I suck at YouTubing. I stutter on my words, as you could tell. I'm just not good at it. I have 3 stars currently, by the way. We're in Japan now, apparently. Oh! Don't die! Don't die! Come on! See, and that's what I'm talking about. They need to fix that. If you're not moving for 3 seconds and then you move, they need to fix that. They need make it harder. Fine, I guess. We're gonna do this, I guess, because nothing's good's gonna come out of this ever. What? No way! Oh my god, I regret that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I just earned a time machine, guys. I just earned the freaking time machine. Oh my god, can it actually travel time? Alright, it sucks. Wait, I need to get it up to 88 miles an hour. No way! That's so cool! Yet I still get busted, so it's not that great of a car. It's just kind of cool what it does. But yeah, that was kind of interesting. Oh my god. So let's see. We gotta get 7 more legendaries, or what? Yeah, 7 more legendaries. This is our best car so far. What just happened? What is this thing? An alien. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, this car's better. Whee! Oh my god, see? That was the savior. If I was using a garbage truck, I would have just died. See how your money counts by 5s in this game when you have a legendary car? Oh! I think something just happened with the brightness. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but... Because I don't edit these things. I like the raw footage. Because, you know... I don't know how to edit. I'm stupid. But... This is basically the whole game. You're just trying to escape from the cops. Oh yeah, and I forgot about something. There's 2 versions of this game. This one I like better. This one's called Smashy Road Wanted. And it's by the makers of Crossy Road. I'll do that if you guys want me to. Leave down in the comments yes or no questions. And I'll answer them. As soon as we get 10 subscribers, which I already have, I'll do a YouTube special. Maybe 5 Nights at Freddy's, maybe not. Yeah, probably not. When Sister Location is out, and if my air shower still works, then that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, about as soon as air shower fixes its problems, because it said it was temporary, then this is my solution. And I don't have anything to do because nothing works. Oh god. Give me boost, give me boost, give me boost. Thank you. Okay. Go in there. And that's what I mean by the military. It gives you good cash. So now we have $110 because it is just awesome. Collect these. I'm winning the race. Oh my god, I can't turn. What the hell? There we go. I just did like a hairpin turn there. There's a bunch of hairpins here. Just gonna go straight. Going straight, we're going straight, we're going straight. I just hit a van. The person... Did a tank just go into the water? I think a tank spawned in the water. You could see it for a split second if you back up in the video. But... yeah, but... Whee! Oh my god! There's tanks! There's tanks! Slow! Okay, we need to get away from these tanks. We need to get away from them. Now. This is my longest run. On camera. Ooh! He's firing at me! Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going away for a long time after this. Oh my god, every time he hits me, I lose control of the car and it just goes all downhill. Go away! Go away! Get away! Yes! I can't believe I escaped that. My engine is overheating, though. I cannot crash into any more things. Speak of the devil. That was a pretty good run, though. I got 6 stars. I think I got 7 one time. I'm not sure. I don't even know. It might have been a dream. But, yeah, we could win a new car again. Out of this nothingness, I'm trying to make it happen again. Don't be angry at me, guys. It happened! It's a rare! We got a racer! Sweet! I've been wanting this thing for so long. How good's the turning? Turning's alright. We'll give it a go, though. Oh! Okay, then. This is not a good car because cops can drive right over you. Alright, then. I want to try the Pro again. See if the Pro gets me anything. But see how the Pro has good turning radius too? Oh my god, back up. The Pro is very good. It's faster than than the other car, except you only get $1 at a time, which I don't like. So, like right now, I would have been earning so much cash right here. Yeah, just bust me. Thank you. Alright. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to try and do a couple more runs with the other car. This thing. It's so awesome. Yeah, that has way quicker turning radius. Like, it turns instantly. Like, that was a little freaky. That car just got destroyed. Oh my god, I just weaved between those buildings. Sick. Don't do that. That's a bad idea. That's a very bad idea, sir. 75. What? Give me money. Yay. Oh my god. Why is there a cop just sitting there? He was just crashing into the building. Like, I don't know where I'm going. Go away, go away, go away. Get away! Mother, I hate this so much. Oh! That was... This isn't going that well, guys. I need to find a structure of some kind. And to do that, we need to get across the desert. Perfect! Oh, there's two structures. Well, there we go. We can earn another car now. There's just more of everything now. One more star in the military's gonna get on our tail. Whee! I just got lucky. We're about to get another star, and I'm not ready for it yet. Oh, and the mayor's I just saw the helicopters flash for a split second in the upper middle corner. Like not corner. There's no corner in the middle of the screen. I saw it flash for a split second, though. You stupid trucks! You stupid idiot trucks! I'm gonna win another car. Here we go. We got another rare. The Lemonzine. We're gonna see how the Lemonzine works because I actually called it a Lemonzine. Wow. We're actually gonna see how that works though, because I've never done this. Okay, just like the garbage truck, this isn't gonna be good. Yeah, this isn't that great. It's doing the job. Oh, it plows right through cop cars. Ooh! See, like, I would have been able to avoid it with the other car. The legendary one I've been using. And there we go. That's game right there. Oh, never mind. I stand corrected. But... come on now. That was almost game right there because... I almost screwed up. Oh, there's a thing over there. Hang on. Go away! Cops are mean. I'm kidding. I love cops. Cops are awesome. You guys are awesome. Don't get inspired by I'm at freaking 5 stars. That might be game right there. That was not game. Oh my god, he just plowed right into me. Holy crap. We're going to earn one more car and then that's going to be video, guys, because I don't want the video to get too long. I forgot to change cars. Just kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Bust me. There we go. Alright, we're good. So we're going to change now. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. No. Stretching. Back to this thing. This thing is awesome. I love it. I love it. Alright, let's do. Go! Limousine. The limo was kind of cool. Military base! It gives you the most money. Money is good for you, kids. Always steal money. I'm kidding. Don't listen to me. I'm a horrible influence. Why won't it let me in? There we go. So we could earn another car if we wanted to. Oh, a quarry. Quarry. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Another quarry? Or is this the same one? Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. We are going to win a new car, test it out, and then that's going to be the end of the video. So here we go. And it's common. Mr. Mini. Alright, you know what? We're not even going to test this out because it's common. Fine, we will. Fine. Just fine. Oh, good turning radius. That was good turning. Crash. Alright, cops. Bust us. Bust us. There we go. And that makes it, guys. That is it. If you guys want to see more Smashy Road, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.